This Swansboro Port Realty property video is presented by Hageman, broker associate, property manager. Upgraded paint, flooring, blinds, kitchen cabinets, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Beautiful 2-bedroom and 2.5 bathroom townhouse in quiet community very close to the back gate. Large open living dining kitchen area, laundry closet off kitchen and a screened-in back porch. Exterior storage closet. 2 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms upstairs, 1/2 bath downstairs. Washer-dryer hookup. Small pet negotiable. No aggressive breeds. For more information, review the details below or contact Hageman, broker associate, property manager at 910-326-8855.